Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Gemini AI app on any Windows PC or laptop. The process is simple and straightforward. Let's begin. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once it's open, go to the search bar and type Gemini AI and press the Enter key on your keyboard. In the search results, you will see a link that starts with gemini.google.com. This is the official website for the Gemini AI app. Click on this link to open the page. Once the page opens, you'll see the Gemini app interface. If you want, you can sign in right away using your Google account. For now, we'll proceed to install the app. Look at the top right corner of Microsoft Edge. You will see 3 dots. Click on these dots to open the menu. From the drop-down, scroll down until you find the option labeled Apps. Click on Apps and then select Install this site as an app. A box will appear asking you to name the app. You can name it anything you like, but for simplicity, I'll name it Gemini. After entering the name, click Install. The Gemini app will now open as a separate window. You'll also see an option to create a desktop shortcut. Check this option if you want quick access to the app from your desktop. After that, click Allow. Once the installation is complete, you can close Microsoft Edge. Go to your desktop and you'll see a new shortcut for the Gemini AI app. Double-click on the shortcut to open the app. The Gemini AI interface will load in its app format. To start using it, sign in with your Google account. After signing in, the Gemini AI app will be ready to use on your PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this tutorial.